Hi there, and welcome. In this quick walkthrough, we'll help you complete the free and reduced price meals application. This application supports funding for important student programs and benefits, and the information you provide is completely confidential. We ask all families to submit it, whether you think you qualify or not. Let's get started. Go to mrpk.vcoe.org. Click Online Eligibility Application. Log in using your username or PIN, then enter your password. Click to submit a household application. Start by verifying your information. Make sure your name, social security number, phone number, address, and email are correct. Then double-check your students' names and birth dates. Most of this will autofill. Next, add any household members who are not students, including yourself. Under the Household Members Other Than Students tab, enter your name. For those filling out the application, choose Applicant. If you have no income to report, please check the box. If you do, please enter the income and choose the pay period, like yearly. Repeat this for any other non-student household members in your home. Any additional people in the household should be given the appropriate designation and also have their income added. Click Continue. Now choose how you'd like to share the information you've provided. We recommend allowing your details to be shared with other programs your child might qualify for. This does not affect your eligibility for free or reduced price meals. Click Continue again to review your application. If you spot an error, click Back. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now sign and certify that all the information is true and complete. Finally, click the email icon to send yourself a confirmation email. Moorpark High students keep that email. You need to present it at check-in. Now you're done. The whole process takes just a few minutes and helps support your school, your student, and your community. Thank you.